May music ba ako? Miss mo na mag-Ilocano? Pwede naman mag-Ilocano pero kayo na mag-usap dyan. Kasi I don't understand. I really don't understand what you're telling, what you're saying, what you're questioning, your everything. Bryant, hello, good evening, good morning. But hindi ko na ma-exchange to guys. Missing me yan dapat eh. Missing me? Or miss me? My goodness. Oh my goodness. You know, boss Will. Edison. Post-it ka ba? No. It's all true po. It's all true. Why? What happened to my teeth? Paano false? May false bang ganun? May false bang teeth, guys? True teeth. It's all natural, you know. What happened? I don't need postizo. Do you think I need postizo? Bryant. Kapatid ko. Ganyan nga. Hindi ka sisi, nag-live. Need mo na magpa-brace. Why? Ayoko na sisiya. Why? As I said ko, ayos lang. Okay. I need ba, Boss Will? Why? Sabi nga din ni ni Kabuti, parang daw talagang lagyan ng brace ang teeth ko. Naka 1 hour ka, Sisi. Naka 1 hour ka ba kanina? O, bakit di ka magla-live? Di ka magpapa 1 hour? Kahit 1 hour? 40k brace sa ate ko. Brace? 40k? Oh, it's very expensive. Expensive pala nun, no? Basta samahan mo ako dito, Tapos baba na mo. Talaga? I've never tried that. Magpa-brace. Nag-charot kasi yung tit ka. It's not fake. Basta samahan mo ako hanggang mamaya. Dapat 2 hours lang ako today. Hindi pa si Boss Mike? Kapatid, hindi ka magla-live. Samahan niyo muna ako dito. Papa 2 hours lang ako. No, hindi Yeah, Bibi. Oo, tonight. Yeah. Bakit? What do you think? Oo nga eh. Ewan ko, bakit sabi nila kailangan daw Bryant